Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to share with you how I made some DIY Easter eggs. As you can see here, I'm sharing some ribbon, some sliders that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. You can also order some pretty ones from Totally Dazzled. I also have some letters, or the letter stickers. And I picked up this carton of Easter eggs from Walmart. They are plain white Easter eggs. This project is so easy to do. So I'm going to share with you two different types of eggs. I'm taking a slider and I'm placing the ribbon around it. I'm sorry, it's kind of on the edge of the frame here. But I'm threading that ribbon through that slider. You will also need some hot glue as well, guys. And that's how the egg will look. Very pretty, very blingy. So the second egg that I am going to do is just done with this lettering. I'm taking silver letters and simply placing them on the egg. Now I must admit I had a time getting these letters off of this sheet. And here it is, the word risen. And I place different words for the season on these eggs. And here's both of the eggs together. They are so pretty to me. And here's the set that I've done. 6 with the sliders. How beautiful are these? And then 6 with the words. Jesus, love, hope, faith, spring, and risen. But the reason for this season is Jesus. Such a simple project to do. And this is how I have the eggs displayed in this beautiful bowl with some decorative balls. But this was a very easy DIY project that I will display for years to come in my home. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here. And I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and select some beautiful home decor and home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.